gentleman factory. I just finished test grinding on my Stanko 3K12M circle grinder, and in previous video you noticed the sparks from grinding wheels like a pulsing. So, and I found reason why it's happening. So first, I hope you can see in camera. I try to find an angle. Here you can see like a burned-in spark here, and it's a reason why it starts to beat or offsetting. Also, I didn't clean it up because I want to show it. You see like a gray grease around here. It's metal parts in the oil, and it's like a dirt or something like that, and that too is making a mess with accuracy. So, but by the way, I found out that the grinding is pretty smooth for first time in this workshop. I hope you can see a quality of this grinding. I'm happy for now. By the way, for the centers, this is a dead center or solid, or I don't know how right it's called in English. I think it's dead center. I think that I should find to place here a live center, but I mean here is this end of cone or taper is rotating, not like now. It's a solid. So I have a coolant fluid on the ground, and my pants is wet from coolant. Oh, and I've work done today, and I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching. Good luck, and have a nice day.